Shane Gentry. And that's Shuggy. And I'm the Dive Bar Tourist. Shuggy, what happens when a lawyer, a cop, and an elite soldier walk into a bar?
I know the answer to this.
What is it?
It's Johnston County, North Carolina's first legal distillery.
What's it called? Instill Distilling Company. The words legal distillery do not go with Johnston County. Johnston County was notorious for running shine back in the day. Number one culprit, Mr. Percy Flowers, put Johnston County and moonshine on the map. Happened right in our backyards. So for these guys to pull off a legal distillery in Johnston County, man, Eric Tansey and the whole crew down at Instill Distilling Company are doing it up right. So today we've got a recipe.
I'm ready for this one.
Yeah, it's good.
It's gonna be good.
I wish it was smell-o-vision. You can smell what the dive bar's cooking. So we have Instill Distillery's recipe for hot butter rum shots, drinks, cocktails, however you want to have it. So what we did earlier, we made this. Now this had to cook for about 4.5 to 5 hours. But you have a cup of dark brown sugar, a cup of light brown sugar, 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, and a stick of butter. And 2 quarts of water. All right, so this has been cooking again in the crock pot 4.5 hours. We let it cool down just a little bit so it's not nuclear when we drink it. So we're gonna start with a shot of spiced rum. All right, we gotta have the spiced rum for this drink. It's Christmassy, it's spicy, and that's how we roll with that. Now, when Eric Tansey and his cohorts put this whole distillery together, a couple things you should know. One, all of the work that they did almost all of it themselves. And what they had to buy, they bought from local people right in Johnston County. They went to the local hardware stores. They bought from local store owners, local business owners. And the time that they had to contract work out, all of that work was done by either first responders or former veterans. So, man, these guys took care of everybody that's all out there taking care of us. And now we're gonna get them all drunk, and it's gonna be all right. And we're gonna drink to them right here, because this goes out to all the first responders, all the veterans, everybody that had a hand in Instill Distillery that got this bottle of liquor from that place to my kitchen. We appreciate you, we salute you, and we're gonna do easy on this shot because it's still a little warm. But here's to the first responders and the veterans.
Ooh.
Good God almighty.
Ooh.
Boy, that is some kind of good, y'all. Come on, one more.
I'm glad you can do it one more.
Woo! For more dive bar fun, go to divebartourist.com.